Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soft Survey. In this video, we will discussing about how to give a Microsoft certification exam through online portal using a Pearson VUE in 2025. If you are applying for a Microsoft certifications, you can see when you are book the appointment, you can get these types of mail, right? You can get these types of reminder of your schedule examinations mail. Okay, in which mail first things I in this video I'm explain all about the procedure to follow and get the certification through the Microsoft. Okay, I can explain each and everything in step by step, like you configure your system, then I can talking about some like a Pearson view, like how to communicate and how to configure, and then I can explain some examination pattern, then some give you some tips and tricks. Okay, so when you get these types of mails, you have to configure your system, right? Because in that applications you can give the examination. So see, this is our test your system links. They have a two links. So you just have to click that first link, test your system. Okay, so when the link is open up, you can see there is a on view website is there, in which website we have to just clicking the all these options and click the go to the next button. So you just have to copy the access code. There is an access code in this particular section. They are showing the download on view application, right? Because the all the examinations you have to give in that particular application. So we have installed it, so we just reopen that particular application to proceed our further. And when you just clicking and opening that application, it's take few times because this is the application, they take few times, so you just have to wait few minutes or few seconds and be a patient. And right now you can see that this is the application and this is our access code. I have already told you to copy the access code, but they can configure, they can got it. But if you are sometime they have not be entered the access code, then you have to just copy from that website and you just have to paste that on application. Okay, then we can go to the next button. They can see this is a loading, and after that you have just configured your laptop. You can see you have to just choose your default whatever the microphone, and we just give the start mic. Okay, then you have to speak loud 1 2 3 4. So right now it's done. Then we have to go to the speaker section. If you are hearing any music, you can just click yes or no. Okay, then we have to just configure our webcam. Okay, in which section we are just starting a webcam. Okay, so right now our webcam is like there, so we can just configure the webcam. Okay, then we just go to the next button. Then they check the network connection, because you have at least 3 MB per second network connection, because sometime in our examinations there is some maybe creating some problem, some network issue, then you have to make sure to maintain the internet speed. Okay, so they just diagnose the some of our networking check. Okay, after that they can take few minutes or few seconds, it's depend on your internet speed. Then we just go to the next setting and they download your examination file. In that particular your all questions are there. Okay, so they have download your all examinations file requirement. So it's taking a few minutes to like downloading the examinations file. Okay, so like this is the procedure, this is a simple procedure, you just have to follow it. And if you are facing any trouble, you can see that there is some troubleshoot options are there. When the examinations is started, your window will be locked and you can't able to do the back or just cancel examination. You can't do, because at the duration of your examination your window will be locked. Okay, so your exam is ready. Go to the next setting. In this setting you can see when we clearing the test, you can see in our background right now our one application is running right now, because I have just recording our video. So that's why they give the notification, because see this is they have a mentioning like we have just plug in our extra monitor. They can give the instructions, you have to remove the monitor, because you can only use the one monitor. If I'm just remove the monitor, then I can just go to the retest. Okay, uh, there is a one issue is also, because I have there is a one application on my background, they are working on it, so they detect it. Okay, So if you are facing any problem, you can see that you just have to follow their instruction. Okay, I have a show, there is a OBS studio is running there. So you can see that there is a you just click the control shift and escape button. Okay, in which section you can see this is a taskbar. Okay, right now in which section you can see that this is a taskbar, in which taskbar you can see how many applications are running right now. Particular section, you just click at that the application, click the right click, and after that you can just click the end task. Okay, so then you're all you have to just close all your tab. Okay, you just have to open only the one things, like on view person, like that applications is working, currently working, and the task manager is on. They can only show the two things. Okay, you have to just end the task all your applications. Okay, because at the time of examination there is only one application is work. Okay, you just have to go to the section, in which section you go to the right click and just click the end task. When we click the end task, their task will be terminated. Okay, so after that you just clicking the retest button, and then you have to just go to the next button. When we the like configurations on their laptop, then there is second link is there. You can see that there is second link is there. Okay, check into the start examination. When you test your system, you can get the confirmation. After that you just have to check the start examination link. You just click the in that particular pages you have right now. I don't have a book in that examination, so that's why they can show it. So in that particular pages you have to put some information like related to your information. And when you just landing that particular pages, you can see that in which section they can see your QR code. Okay, when you scan the QR code, there is a one link. That link is open up on your phone, in which particular you have to upload your picture, your identity front page and your identity back page. Also you have to upload your picture. Also where you have sitting to giving the examination, you can just click a picture in front of your laptops, also your back of your rooms, and your left side of your like a table, or your right side of your table. So you have to just click the four picture. Okay, to like in front of your like a room. Okay, so you have to upload these things. After that when you clicking the submit button, then the page go to the next, and then after we waiting on a queue. Okay, in that particular queue, suppose that this is like a lobby in which you have to wait, you're waiting for your number. Okay, so they have sometime when you joining the like exam, sometimes when you joining the this page, when you landing on that particular queue page, then their waiting is a number is a 30 or 17, and they can just reduce it. Okay, so after that at your time, then one proctor will be allotted for your examination. Okay, and they can guide you, they can check you, they can told you to show your chair where you have sit in, to show you in front and back and left right. They can ask you to show each and everything. Okay, in your room. Also they can monitoring each and everything. Then they can start your examination. Then you can see in that particular pages, like in that application as I told you, then your application will be locked and your examination will be started. If you're talking about the number of questions or durations of examination, so it's depend on the examination to examination. Just like suppose that first thing we have to join the examination before 30 minutes. Like if you are booking the appointment of your examination is 4:50, then you should have to join before the 30 minutes. Okay, so just like we have joining the meetings in 3:45 p.m. Okay, because there is some times to giving the configuration, to filling that information, to take a picture, the all information, they take some time. And if you're talking about the examination duration, so examination duration it depend on the courses to courses, right? Because see, recently I have in 24 April, recently I have getting multiple certificate. Okay, if you're talking about the Azure fundamental, is taking around 45 minutes to giving the examination. Okay, when you landing on that particular page, if you're talking about the Azure developer associate, okay, So this is a multiple types of courses there. If you're talking about the Azure developer space, developer associate, in which if when you landing on that particular pages, you can see that the examination duration is 100 minutes. If you number of questions, they have 40 questions. If you asking the questions pattern, so it's have some MCQ based questions. If have some scenario based question, they have some true false question. They have some drag and drop types of questions. So they have a mixture of their all the types of questions, right? The MCQ, the scenario based question, their true false, their drag and drop questions. I have given the Azure fundamental examination, it's in which there is a little bit easy types of questions. You have to just select any one of the four options, and some questions you have to select multiples option is correct. Okay, some question in which you have to just drag and drop types, some option is there, and you have to just drag those things and you have just put on their boxes. Okay, and their true false are there. I have just given the this examination. As you see that they have a we have the Microsoft Azure Developer Associate certificate, in which the examination much difficult. Okay, because in that examination the question is like the question is mix up, the questions pattern is same, but the questions level was a different. Okay, in which there is Azure Developer Associate, the question is hard according to me. Ask you the deeply question related to the like coding, related to the, they can give you the some code to like finding a bug, to finding a like to creating a or deploying a virtual machine. So they can just check your deeply knowledge in that particular courses. They can taking a lot of time. Also the duration is 100 minutes, so you get a time a lot, but it's very difficult for me to solve that question. But if you're talking about the Azure fundamental, it's easy for me. Okay, so this is our report card. Like I have a, you have to score the 1,000 marks of examinations is happening, in which you have to score minimum 700 marks to passing the examinations. Okay, the highest mark is 1,000, and in which the minimum marks you should have to score 700. If you're not able to score a 700, you are a fail. After that when you getting the like when you passing the examination, or if you are not able to pass the examination, you can get the mail from the Microsoft instant. Okay, instantly when you given the examination, then after you can get these types of mail. Okay, like these types of mail like congratulations, you have passed the examination. And if you are not able to pass the examination, you can also get the mail, like they can tell you about like if you are not able to pass the examination, they can give you 24 hours. After the 24 hours, you can reschedule the examinations, you can reappear and resubmit the examination. Okay, they can give you the chance to complete the examination, you get the certificate. Then again you are a fail, then you have to buy the another voucher to give in the examination. But once a time, if you are a fail in that examination, Microsoft giving you one more chance to pass the examination, and free of cost. It's all about the free of cost, because you have to pay only one time. After that, if you are a fail examination, they can, after the 24 hours, they can reschedule your examinations and they can tell you to give the examination. Okay, so this is a facility you can get. If you're talking about the preparations, I can, if you are telling me, I can make you the videos how to prepare and how to score that examinations. Okay, so this is a way through the like process I have to crack the examinations and I can get the certificate, and I can score 950 marks out of the 1,000. Okay, so this is the process. This is a very simple procedure to like crack the examinations. I can tell you before the 30 minutes the examinations you have to join it. Okay, because you have to giving the so many things. And this is the certification. I have also uploading the videos like how to download the certificate and how to get the credentials. Okay, just follow on my channels. I can also upload the how preparations guide and some resources. With the help of, you will score a good marks in that particular courses, right? So I think if this video is helpful for you, so like this video, please support our channels and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, all the best, have a nice day.